How to play Assetto Corsa with controller. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in today's video, I'll guide you through the process of playing Assetto Corsa using a controller on your PC. It's an effortless and swift procedure, so be sure to follow along closely. Throughout this video, I'll demonstrate how to seamlessly integrate a controller for gameplay on your PC, whether you have obtained a game through Steam or any other means. To begin, simply connect your controller to your PC. This can be achieved through various methods such as using a USB cable, Bluetooth, or any other preferred approach. Once your controller is linked to your PC, it will promptly appear in the devices window. Upon your next game launch, you'll have the ability to access the settings and customize the controls to your preference. Upon connecting my Xbox 360 controller for the Windows, it promptly appeared in the device list. All that's left is to enter the game settings and adjust the control layout. This enables you to effectively manage all controller settings within the game, allowing you to enjoy the entire gameplay experience with any controller brand of your choice. So this is basically on how can you play the Assetto Corsa with controller on your PC. I trust that this tutorial has been beneficial in guiding you on how to play the Assetto Corsa with a controller. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more straightforward and valuable tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.